Assalamu alaikum. Ramzan Mubarak to everyone. I want to give you an important update. I've been informed from a reliable source that Biman Bangladesh Airline will reopen Manchester to Sylhet route from 1st of July 2026. I want to first of all thank the Aviation Minister, Mrs. Afroza Khanum Rita, and the Foreign Advisor, Mr. Humayun Kabir, for their personal involvement in this campaign and to arrive at this decision. I want to thank all the campaigners who have helped us with this campaign right from the beginning. Everyone's played their part, and I'm so grateful that we remain united to achieve our ultimate goal. Please remember this, that when we're united for a just cause, we can achieve our ultimate aim. I also want to thank our UK MPs who have relentlessly supported us, and in particular my MP Jim McMahon, who raised this issue first, and also Paul Wolf, who raised it in House of Commons. All the mosques and the Bangladeshi organizations right across the country, where you signed for petition, where you made announcements, where you held meetings to get our voice heard. I want to say thank you to all. Inshallah, our next mission is to make sure that we make Usmani International Airport a true international airport, and together your help